Hello friend, my name is Ijaz and welcome to my channel BroLearner. In this video we are going to discuss how we can use any link or how we create any link in our web page. Okay, and we will use anchor tag for this purpose. Without further delay, let's start. Introduction. The A tag is used as an anchor tag. A means the full form of A is anchor tag. In HTML, it is used to create a hyperlink on the web page. The link you are always see in Android in laptop with a blue color, and you click on the blue color text and you open another web page. This is called hyperlink. Or maybe you are visiting any other app like YouTube and Facebook, etc. It's a hyperlink. Okay, to create hyperlink we have a following pattern. I'll show you. First we specify the tag, which is A, and here we provide the link, and then we provide the text. For example, if I provide the YouTube link, I pasted the link of the YouTube, and after that I text as a YouTube link or YouTube. That's it. And after this we close this tag because it is not self-closing tag. That's why we specify closing tag. Now let's discuss attribute of the A tag. Okay, first attribute is download. If we specify that attribute download, then it's downloaded while you're using your web page in server. If you host or if you locally host, for this I show you how you can download, how you can host your web page in a local server. Okay, you specify the download attribute, then clicking on the link your image automatically downloaded, because web page is not downloaded. If you provide the path of PDF, then PDF is downloaded. Such type of thing downloaded. But if you provide the link of any web page and you specify the download, then it won't work. Okay, after that we have type attribute. In type attribute we specify the link that we are going to use. For example, if I use HTML page, I specify the type dot HTML. If I provide the doc link, then I specify the doc type. Image, we specify the image, and any kind of you specify the type for better understanding. And after that we have target. What is target? In anchor tag we are going to specify the target, means in which place we wanted to open our link that we provided. Okay, for this we have 3 to 4 attribute: target attribute, parent, top, self, blank. We will see after this slide. Okay, here I have an example of download attribute. Here I have an image. I have anchor tag. Within anchor tag I have an image, and clicking on is automatically downloaded. And after that we have type attribute. For example, we have a p tag here where we display welcome text, and after that we have a link of google.com, and I specified as a text or HTML. Then we provided the link. It's just for understanding which type of link we are going to provide. Okay, and after that we have attribute of target, means we have blank, we have self, we have parent, we have top. For blank, if you provide blank target, it automatically means you wanted to open the link in another tab or in another window. If you provide the self, it automatically open in a current page or current if you using iframe. Because for better understanding of these attributes we are going to use iframes. Okay, if you provided, for example, I'll show you. if first is my HTML page, main page, and I provided here another iframe. Okay, and in this I also have another iframe like this hierarchy, and here I provided the link, for example 3 and 4. For blank, it automatically pop up new window. Okay, blank B, I text as a B. If I provided blank, and if I provided cells, it open in this page, in this current frame. Okay, parent, it open in the just parent. This is the parent of the this frame, so it open in this page. And after that, top means it open the whole first page. Okay, now after that I tell you how to specify the download. And if you add an image in your web page and you want to allow people download your image, then you first of all provide the href link of your image. Here I have this image and I provided download and named as nature. It downloaded in the user system by the name of nature. And here this keyword, after clicking in this keyword, your image, the image that I provide is automatically downloaded. For downloading purpose, you have to locally host. Here I use this type of live server. You can download from here clicking on live server, and you download the first link. And after that, here you have an option go live and click live. If because it's also not working in my page, that's why I use this. And here I click here, then it automatically download with the name of it's downloaded once again. That's why it shows. I show you the image. Here we go. That's this is the image that I show you in VS Code. You can see both are same. And after that, we are going to discuss target. Okay, here I provide link, but it's not an image, that's why it's not download. Okay, after that I provide target, and here you can target. First I show you what is blank, and here I use blank. And you can see if I click here, new tab is open and the link is open in new tab. And after that, now we're gonna discuss target in anchor tag. First of all, I created this HTML file for creating frame to better visualization of the what I am doing in this video. Okay, first of all, I create iframe. I embed this iframe in anchor tag. You can clearly see here I give the path, because all of this is in single directory. That's why the path is simple like name and extension. Okay, and after that I embed this HTML page in this frame. You can clearly see. Now what we are going to do, first of all I have this iframe in this, and within this frame I have this iframe. Okay, now you can see in my page I have two iframe. First is this, you can see, I'll show you. First is this and second is this. Okay, and the main is, main is our HTML body, which is anchor tag body. Okay, anchor page body. Now I show you what we are doing. First I provide example.com target parent, because other link are not working or they refuse to embed in my page. That's why I already told you that if any website you need to embed in your HTML page, you go for example.com, because it's practically it give you a site that you can embed it, not restrict anything. It's not restrict you. Okay, now first we have a target, then let's see what it do. Okay, let's click. You can see it's not open this page, it's um, open in the parent of the image, because image is the child of iframe. That's why this is the parent, and it open the example.com open in iframe page, and I have another parent. If I provide a link here, for example, I'll show you. Same, I provide as example.com link in iframe. The parent of iframe is anchor.html. Now see it's working or not. I refresh this. You can see this is in iframe page. Now clicking in this, it open in the parent of the iframe, which is anchor. That's why it's completely open in full of the page. Okay, now see what is top. Top means it occupy the whole screen and open the link. You can see I have a w3 school target as a top. Now I remove this or simply comment this. Now I refresh, not this page. I refresh. Okay, I click this. It open in the whole screen. Okay, and after that we are going to discuss self. Self means it occupy the same. It open the current page. Okay, here I provide self in example.com again, and you can see what happened. Now I refresh, it open in the current frame. You can clearly see. That's it for today's video. If you learn iframe and anchor tag, please subscribe my channel and share with your friend if you think this video is helpful. Bye bye.